Before I take the bolts out of here, I'm just going to use a pull jack and support the rear differential. It's not necessarily going to fall too far, but it'll just help support it. Then use a 21mm wrench, 21mm socket on this side. Take that out. Then you also have the ability to go up and down with the pull jack to get the bolt out. Just use a pry bar also. There we go. And take the top nut out. Use a 21mm wrench on the bolt and 21mm socket. And take the bolt out. Make sure you support the shock and slide the shock right out. Take the new shock and compress it and let it go. You want to do this 3 times. Now slide the top part of the shock into the bracket on the frame and slide the bolt through. Get the nut started. Before we tighten that up, I'm going to slide the bottom part through. Just use a pry bar. Get it lined up. There we go. Put the nut on. Just snug them down first. And the upper one. And torque the nuts to 85 foot-pounds. And you can lower the pull jack.